Hey guys, how's it going today? I got my little drone on the go here. I was going to put it in the follow me mode, and I've got a really long hill climb. It starts way at the bottom and goes all the way up. I was going to have it follow me up the whole thing. It was going to look really cool, but something's going on with my I use one of my old cell phones right here, and something's kind of weird with the GPS on it. So yeah, I'll just get a few cool shots and stick around. We'll see what we can do. I'm just up playing around, just taking it a little easy. I got a backpack on my back, and I got one hanging off the front here with my drone in it. Just checking out the trails, seeing what we can find that looks fun. I gotta say, this Moto's hybrid tire, like, this is crazy steep. I know it doesn't look like it to you guys. Well, maybe it does over there. It usually doesn't look steep on the camera, but I'm in first gear here. And it just does not lose traction. I think my tubeless is at about 5 psi, and I'm geared down to a 52, and I can literally climb stuff just about as steep as I go up on my CR500, just lugging it like this in first gear. It's absolutely incredible. Or you can do it the old-fashioned way and just pin it. Which is pretty fun too. Woo! Gets a guy in shape almost. Make sure you guys check out my Patreon account. That's just a way to say thanks for the things I'm doing. For all the guys, for everybody that's on like cell phones and that, I know underneath the video in the description there's a little arrow down that says show more. If you hit that, it's got links to my Instagram and, you know, all my goodies there, so check some of those out. I'm gonna try this sketchy little side hill. I got my drone hanging off, so I don't really want to mess it up. Gotta love little two-strokes. They make everything easier. Well, if that little hill right there isn't screaming coast down me on the rear wheel, I don't know what is. That's almost ideal. I'm gonna do a how-to for that stuff soon, but smooth hills like that are just perfect for practicing those. Wow, check this out, you guys. That is one bigger log. I've never seen it before on this. Is one of the smaller mountains, but it's pretty rotted away, and it's quite a bit taller. It's about the same as my handlebars. Holy smokes. I don't know about getting over that one. This guy could try. We got to get over part of it though. Found a little snow up in this area too. It's pretty cool. Up and over. Oh. Pretty nice area. Wow. I'm on a littler mountain. There's my bigger mountains I go in, and away over there you can start to get into the really big mountains. And just past that, there's really, really big mountains. The Rockies are out there. I think you can see them between the trees. So there's no shortage of riding. I'd ride the same. I'd never ride the same stuff twice, I'll tell you that. It's fun to go when the snow leaves like this, because you can see grass is all laying over, so you can see any of the big, you know, the big boulders. Oh, downhill. Oh boy. Actually, I got my drone hanging here, so I'm just going to take her a little bit easy anyways. So I'm going to do these random ones like this when I come across cliffs and things like that. You know, this is a perfect scenario because it's, you know, it's a lot easier over there and it gets more sketchy and more sketchy. So when you're doing stuff like this is how I do it. Lots and lots of momentum, and then don't go too hard on the throttle going up because you're not going to do much. You're just going to spin out. So get your momentum, keep your chest over the bars, and just hit it with confidence. I'll do a few clips and show you what I mean. Drop a like, hit the like button, drop some comments. If it's YouTube, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Yeah, and you build confidence by going smaller and then going bigger. The exact opposite of what I did when I was younger. LOL. See how I do that? I pretty much coast up the top half. I gotta tell you guys, I sure love this little magic button right here. Doesn't get any easier than that. I appreciate you guys watching all my stuff. Make sure and hit the subscribe button and drop a comment. Let me know any ideas you got for you know, future videos. I got quite a list. Hit the like button as well. And I will see you guys on the next video.